Hey, how's it going? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about Lordstown Motor. So Lordstown Motor stock has been under some pressure lately, but they're going to be having an earnings report coming up here on August 11th. I think this one is going to conference. Why? Because they are so close to their promise of mass start of production and producing the electric um trucks. So if they are still on time and things are still doing well, maybe after the conference call, just maybe, uh Lordstown Motor stock will get pumped to the moon. And the fact that it's sitting at $5.93, that could be a double or a triple. I don't know at the end of the day what the market is going to do. But at the same time, we all know that Lordstown Motor is under investigation for the CEO making false claims. And there's a lot of problems right now. But again, it could be a buying opportunity, or the stock price could keep falling. That is the risky part about buying Lordstown Motors. Either this right now is a buying opportunity, or because there's going to be some positive news when the earnings come out, and it's a gamble at the end of the day. And once that positive news comes out, the hedge funds and the institutional investors and the big money, they will pump it to the moon. So as a retail investor, you could make a decent amount of profit gambling into Lordstown Motors stock. Or you can do option number 2. You can also buy some options. You can buy some $7.50 options for 5 cents. And if the stock does get pumped, you could make a ton of money. Or $8. We'll see what happens. But it's up to you what you want to do. But it could be a good play, or it could fall even further after earnings. It's up to you what you want to do. Right now, as I'm making this video, I have a 0 position in Lordstown Motor. No call options, no put options, no push position at all in Lordstown Motor. But again, I think that this could be an opportunity if the earnings come out and it's good and it's positive. It could be a massive pump in Lordstown Motor in the short term, and you guys could be making off like bandits. Just saying, not financial advice. At the end of the day, it's buy at your own risk. I'm still thinking about it. I may buy some call options, gamble that Lordstown Motor will get pumped. But right now I have a 0 position in Lordstown Motor, but definitely thinking about it. So we'll see what happens. And then Lordstown Motor say that hedge funds are buying up to $400 million in stock. This article was released on July 26, 2021. I don't know if it's been approved yet, and if it's been done yet, but they're paying 35 million shares, or they're giving the hedge funds 35 million shares for $400 million. So we kick our calculator. 400 divided by 35. That is, they're paying $11.42 a share, or 35 million shares for 400 million. Lordstown sitting at 593. So fortunately, this would have been a good amount of money if they were able to execute at 11.40. But the hedge funds, they're not gonna be like, oh, we'll give you a little premium on top of that. No, they're going to want it at $5.93 right now, unless they already exercised that $11. So we'll see what happens moving forward. I haven't really followed this company closely, but it definitely could be a huge return on investment. But our return on gambling, it's up to you what you want to do, but could make a lot of money off Lordstown if everything turns out all right, if everything goes well, and the market, rich people pump it. We'll see what happens. Before I go, I just been watching Tokyo Revenges. It's pretty interesting anime. It's about a kid that not a kid, grown adult that travels back to the past, and he is trying to change history by, I don't know, change history by like save people, because some people he knew die in his time, so he's just trying to change the past to change the future. It's an interesting show. It has to do lots of gangs and things like that. But anyways, I found it interesting. I was watching the English version dubbed of it, the new series. Some guy at work was recommended it to me, and I was like, sure. You know what? I'll give an episode a shot. I watched the first episode. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on episode 7 right now. So, yeah, probably gonna end this video. Continue to watch this for a little bit longer, and then go to bed soon because I'm kind of tired. Saying. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh man, I only got to last another minute for some more ad money in my videos. So, yeah, Lordstown. Let's look at the charting. From a charting perspective, it looks like it's pretty much at the bottom. But we'll see what happens. Like I said, we could see a pump to the upside. Like right here, it went to $7, and then it got pumped to $11.40, and then it went all the way up to $13.40. So if you buy it at 5 and it gets pumped to $11.40 in the short term, you literally double your money. But again, it may not happen. It's a gamble at the end of the day. We'll see what big money does. But again, if retail investors can pump, GameStop to, like $13 billion and AMC to $30 billion, Lordstown is sitting at $1 billion. So, the Robin Hooders, not the Robin Hooders, the Wall Street bet rich people could pump this to the moon. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Multiple millions of investors coming together, buying it, pumping it to the moon. Who really knows at the end of the day what's going to happen? But again, I'm saying that this could be a good play, or it could fail and keep dropping down lower. Who really knows at the end of the day what's going to happen? But I like the price at $5.90. I would like it low. I would like it at $1. I would like it at $1 would be very attractive to me. But I don't know if it will. We'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.